Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to clean a wooden cutting board. There's a lot of controversy about wooden cutting boards. Has its own healing properties. It does to a certain degree. When you get deep cuts with meat or any foods, blood juices, then you can get sick. There's a lot of videos out there saying that wooden cutting boards can make you sick because people aren't cleaning them properly. It's the titanium cutting boards that are the newest, safest ones to have. I use the titanium one for meats. And on the back, it's bamboo. It's not plastic, it's bamboo. And then they have a little garlic grater there. For every day I use this cutting board because I have a wooden counter and I don't want the wooden counter to be ruined. As you see here, I recently started to cut red cabbage on it. It made a red dye. You can see the cuts. So now I put a plastic sheath rather, over this for red cabbage only. So what I'm going to do is put some baking soda over it. My grandmother used to clean her cutting boards with lemon and salt. So here's the lemon juice. Boy, that stings when you have a cut on your finger. And you just scrub it out. You can let it sit and soak with the lemon juice for a few minutes, not overnight. You don't want the board to warp with wetness. If you don't have lemon, you can use a white vinegar, a distilled white vinegar. It doesn't have to be distilled, but that's what I use if I don't have lemon. You hear it? So lemon and salt, lemon or baking soda. What I like about the baking soda, it does get into the cuts. The salt is a little more abrasive if you have deep cuts. And every once in a while, I do get the sander out and I'll polish out that crack. It's not juices from meat or anything like that. It's just that this house is dry and it gets very humid or not humid, depending on your kitchen. But this house is dry, sorry. You can scrub it. So you can see that the pink from the red cabbage is gone. So that is a way to clean your cutting board. Lemon juice or vinegar, salt or baking soda. And for the real stubborn stains, like the cut marks, you can either scrub and use vinegar or use salt. So let it set for a while. Do not use soap. Now I'm going to rinse it. Cold water. There is no red pigment on this cutting board. Thank you for watching.